Now we will learn construction exercise 11.1 question number 2. Construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Okay, first here 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm is given, which is highest one 6. So you construct first a line segment of 6 cm from here to here, and you can give the name as BC from here to here. BC you can give. Next you can draw from any point, you can take as a 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So I will take here like this 5 centimeter on the scale, here to here 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter it is. So after 5 centimeter I will cut the arc here like this. Next here it is after 5 centimeter over 4 centimeter, so you can take here 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter you can take like this. After this you can cut the arc like this. Okay, after cutting this one you can join these 2 points from here to here, and this point you can give as A. So instead of ABC you can take PQR also, no problem. Next you can join from here to here these 2 points, B to A you can join, B to A. So take B to A like this you can join. After joining this one, now after constructing this triangle of 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, out of 3 sides, if it is bigger one, that you take as a base. Now I will write, I have written here steps. Draw any ray BX making an acute angle with BC. So this is BC, from here to here I will make what, one acute angle from here to here. So any, no need to use a protractor and all, just you can put like this, and you can give the name this as a X also. So BX, so draw any ray BX making an acute angle with BC over. So now locate 3 points, the greater of 2 and 3 in 2 by 3 points B1, B2, 3 we have to locate such that B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3. So equal distance you can consider here, and from here to here you can make it 3 points here. So one arc I will denote like this. The same distance you can take here and you can cut here, same, all should be same. So I can give the name for this one, since here it is B, so you can give the name this as a B1 and this as a B2 and this as a B3. So here all are equal, B1, B1, B2, B2, B3, all are equal, that I have written here. B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3. Next join B3C. B3C means from here to here, last point. So last point is here B3, from here to here you have to join with the help of scale. From here to here you join like this. Okay, after joining this one, now here draw a line through B2. B2 is here, B2, the second point, 2 being smaller of 2 and 3 in 2 by 3. In 2 by 3 here, first 3, highest is 3 here in denominator, so 3 points I have taken. Next 2 is there, so from this numerator 2, from here you have to draw a line such that it should be parallel to B3C and it should intersect on BC at C dash. So how to do this one? So for this one you can first, you can make the curve like this. From here to here you can take one curve from here to here like this, one curve. Same type, same curve should be from B2 also. You keep on B2 and make it curve like this. Okay, after this you take the distance of these 2 points here and here, exact distance you can take from here to here. So this is the distance of here to here. So the same distance you can keep on here in this one, in this point, and you can cut the arc like this, like this. You have to keep here, you have to cut the arc on this point, you have to keep and you have to cut. Next, by using the scale you have to draw a line such that it should intersect on BC. So if I make it like this, so it will be from here to here. So just you can pass through that curves from here to here you can draw, so it is parallel to B3. So this point they told here So B3C it to intersect BC at C dash. So this point will be what now? This point will be C dash now. So now again draw a line through a C dash parallel to the line CA to intersect BA at A dash. So for CA you have to draw the parallel from C dash. So for that what we have to do? Again same thing, you have to draw the arc from C like this. You have to draw first the arc like this, keep the arc like this, next again you keep on C and you cut the arc like this. Okay, after this you take the distance of these two distance. After taking these two distance you keep here and cut the arc. Okay, so next where you have cut now, from there it should passes through here like this, from here to here, from C, point the C from here like this you have to draw. So it is cutting on BA and this point we are denoting as A dash, because we told here it is A dash, here it is A, so it is A dash, here it is C, now here it is C dash. So see here, draw a line through C dash parallel to the line CA. This is the line CA parallel, so it is intersecting at BA at A dash, so it is intersecting on BA at A dash. So then the required triangle is A dash B dash C dash. So A dash B dash C dash means, so A dash B dash C dash, or AB, which one you can take? Here it is C dash now, so you can consider as not dash also, so just AB, A dash B C dash it is. So here it is not dash, it is only, it is AB C dash, triangle A dash B and C dash it is. Okay, so now which triangle it is? So just you can, I will shade here, you can take here this pen and just you can shade it. The required triangle is this one, the shaded region is your required triangle. So the required triangle is A dash B C dash, so this is your triangle. So just you can shade like this so that you will get the idea. So see here, our intention is that first you have to draw the triangle, next from here on BC you have to draw the acute angle, next here 2 by 3 is there, so bigger one is 3, so 3 times you are making here, so 3 points and all equal parts. Then from B3 to C you are joining, next from point B2 you are drawing a line which intersect on BC at C dash, which is parallel to B3C. In the same way from C dash you are drawing a line which is parallel to CA, which is intersect at A dash on BA. So here you have to remember here 2 by 3, 2 by 3 means what here? So you will get, if you divide you will get the answer less than 1 here. This is equal to less than 1. If it is less than 1, the required triangle will come the inside the triangle. So this is the bigger triangle, original triangle ABC, inside that one you will get the triangle. If it is greater than 1, suppose if it is greater than 1, the triangle will come outside the original triangle. Okay, this is one thing. So these are the steps. So for this one justification also you can do. So for how to do the justification, you see here, this is very simple, very important also. Just remember justification, how to do this one. So first one, see here, what is this? BC dash divided by BC you can write is equal to, you can write here BA dash divided by BA is equal to A dash C dash divided by AC you can write. So see here, this should be equal to what? 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So this line is divided in the ratio 2 by 3. So this is our intention to make it this one. So if you make here, these two triangles are similar. See here, A B C and A dash B C dash are similar. So you can see here the triangle, since here these two are parallel, means these two angles are equal. See, these two angles are equal because these two are parallel, means these two are, this is the transversal, means these two are corresponding angles, and this angle is common for both the triangle. So you can say here first, before writing this one, angle BC dash A dash is equal to angle BCA are equal, because corresponding angle you can write corresponding angles. You can write how it is corresponding angles, because these two are parallel, so this is the transversal, means these two are corresponding. Okay, now you can say that angle A dash B C dash is equal to angle ABC, because it is common angle. So if it is common angle, by AA criteria, angle criteria, you can say that these two triangles A dash B C dash and AB C are similar. So triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC, you can write. So if you write this one, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So first 2 divided by first 2, so you can write A dash B divided by AB is equal to BC dash divided by BC, second 2, first 2 divided by first 2 I have written here. So next one you can write here, these 2 divided by BC dash divided by BC I have written here. Next first last means A dash C dash divided by first last AC, you can write here. Now see here, for this one, after writing this one more thing, very important thing, see here, in this also, here also in the same way, these two are parallel means these two are corresponding angles, these two are also equal. So you can say here, you can write here, what you can write here. So I will take one more paper here, see here, after this what happens here, see here, I will take one more paper to solve this one. So after this, see here what happens here, see here, okay. So here these two are equal means in triangle, you can write here in triangle BC dash B2, you can say that angle BB2 C dash is equal to angle BB3 C, because corresponding angles, correct, you can take this one. So next what happens here, so see here, in this one also, C dash BB2 is equal to angle CBB3, correct, because it is common, correct. Since it is common, you can say that by AA criteria the two angles are equal. So by AA criteria, by AA rule, you can say that triangle C dash BB2 is congruent to triangle CB, triangle CBB3 you can take, okay, CBB3 you can say. So after this one, what happens here, what happens, so now very important is C dash B divided by CB, which is equal to BB2 divided by BB3 is equal to C dash B2 divided by CB3, you can write. But what happens here, here C dash B and BC, so here BB2 means what here, BB2 means how many points here, arcs here, 2 arcs, so you can write here it is 2 divided by CB3, so what is that, BB2 means 2, BB3, B3 how much it is, 3, so you can write this as a 2 by 3. In the same way, now you know that here C dash B divided by CB is equal to what, 2 by 3, you know. So if it is 2 by 3, what is here in this one, here this BC dash, C dash B by CB or BC dash, both are same, BC dash or C dash B, BC or CB, both are same. So here it is equal to A dash B divided by AB, which is equal to A dash C dash divided by AC, which is equal to here 2 by 3. So it is all are equal to what, 2 by 3. So this is our important justification. So it is in the ratio 2 by 3. So now here see, you can take here BC dash by BC, BA dash by B, so this will hold school. So this is the justification. So this is very important, so just you can go through this one. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. If you like this video, share it, like it, comment it. Okay, thank you.